Now, isotopes have been really utilized by human beings. First of all, iodine is used in goiter, iodine isotopes. Cobalt is used in cancer, and the isotopes of uranium are used as nuclear fuel. Even when we want to find out the age of fossils, it is easy when we kind of assess the proportion of various isotopes of a given element. For example, what we do is, it is called carbon dating. We see how many carbon 12 are there and how many carbon 14 are there, and that helps us to estimate the age of the fossils. Now, the story can be different also. This was having same atomic number, so same chemical properties, but different atomic mass number. Sometimes it is reverse, that is, they have same atomic mass number, but different atomic number. And the typical example is calcium and argon. Both calcium and argon, their atomic mass number is 40. But in the case of calcium, atomic number of calcium is 20, but that of argon is 18. And just see what difference it makes. Now, because atomic number is 20, the electrons in calcium are arranged like this: 2, 8, 8, 2. So, the outermost shell has 2 electrons, the valence or electrons are 2, and it loses those 2. So, it has valency of calcium. Calcium has a valency of 2 positive, and it is very reactive. Calcium is very reactive because it is always ready to lose those electrons, because it has a desire or it has a destiny to become stable, and that can happen only if it has 8 electrons in the outermost shell. So, it is ready to lose. But just because argon has 18, it is 2, 8 and 8. Now, it is fully satisfied. Its outermost shell has the right number, its octet is satisfied, is complete. So, what will happen? Just like other noble gases like helium and neon, it will be totally non-reactive. Just like there are some people who get angry very easily while others do not. So, what does this mean? This means isobars will have same chemical properties or different? They will have different chemical properties. So, now we can understand that why atoms of different elements have different properties. It is all because of the number of electrons and how they are arranged, whether they are stable, they are unstable, whether they gain electrons, they lose or share. So, this entire personality types, you can say, just like human beings have different personality types, similarly atoms also have different characteristics, and this is because of the number of electrons and their distribution. And in the case, if we take the typical example of isotopes and isobars, we see this situation. In isotopes, because the number is same, the chemical properties are same. Whether it is C12 or C14, it can combine with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. It will form covalent bond, that is, it will share electrons. But in the case of calcium and argon, we find totally different nature, different properties. Calcium very reactive, argon not reactive.